This hadith is narrated by Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Once a woman named Barira came to her with a request for assistance regarding her manumission, freeing from slavery. Barira was a slave who had a contract for her own manumission and sought help in fulfilling it. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha inquired if her masters intended to sell her. She expressed her willingness to pay for Barira's freedom and offered to complete the contract of her manumission, but with the condition that Barira would choose to remain with her. Barira then went to her masters and informed them about Hazrat Aisha's offer. However, they insisted that they would only agree if Barira forfeited her right of inheritance. However, they insisted that they would only agree if Barira forfeited her right to inheritance. Upon hearing this, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha approached Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and shared the situation. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam responded by instructing Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha to emancipate Barira and set her free. He emphasized the importance of adhering to the principles outlined in the Quran and warned against imposing conditions that were not sanctioned by Allah. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23425.